I want to show you how to play Just When I Needed You Most by VanWarmer. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody on this because it repeats all the way through, so once you get it, you've got it. And I started all the way down in this octave, so it's in the same octave as his voice. E, C sharp, D, D, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A, C sharp, down to C sharp, B, A, B, 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 triplets now, B, C sharp, D, C sharp. Then we do it again. Up to the F sharp and crush the E into the D, D, A, down to C sharp, B, A, C sharp, B, A, C sharp, B, A. And it goes on from there because it repeats. But then let's get the introduction. Now we're in the key of A, and we start off with an A triad, A, C sharp, B. Then we go to an major seventh, A, C sharp, B, G sharp. Then we go to just a seventh chord, A, C sharp, B, G. And then back to the A chord. And it's arpeggios all the way through. Do it again. Major seventh. And then we go to a D with A in the bass. A, D, F sharp, A. Your D chord is D, F sharp, A. So we've got an A chord, A major seventh, A seventh chord, and then we end with a D chord with A in the bass. Now, what you're going to do in the right hand, you're going to go C sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, A. And then we take it up 2 octaves. Do the same thing up there. Then come down to F sharp, E, D. Then we're going to come all the way down 2 octaves to get the melody. Okay, so here we go. Now you see how I did that? I put A, C sharp, E, C sharp, A, C sharp, E, and the G sharp and the F sharp go together. And the A's go together. That'll give you time to get up here. Come all the way down. And now here, you're going to hit an A chord. Then you're going to hit an A major seventh. Only I'm going to leave the C sharp out, because the C sharp's here. And then I'm going to hit the A seventh chord, and I'm going to leave the C sharp out, because we got the C sharp in the right hand, so I don't even play that. It's just overkill. So we're going to go A chord, A major seventh, A seventh, and then the D chord. And then I play the D with just the D and the F sharp, because you're coming down here for the melody. A, F sharp, so. Then we go back to this A chord. Now here's a B minor chord. And there's going to be a little fill there. E, D, C sharp, B. So you basically got a E7 with a passing tone on that C sharp in there. Now let me put them together and go slowly with the melody right there. Let's see. So we got. Now we come down. Go to the major seventh. To the 7th to the D chord. And then you got A chord again, B minor, do it again. Now I put here, I do the D and then the F sharp and A. Do the same thing. And then here you're going to hit the A first, and then the C sharp, and then the chord. So it'll sound like this. I'll slow it down so you can see how it goes. So that what you're going to hear is that between verses you're going to play A, C sharp and E, and then hit the A twice. Then we do it again. Now here you're going to go down to the D. And then up to an A. So there I go to a single note bass there. D, A, B, E, and then I just hit the B and the D right there to give it that 7th sound. And of course we got the C sharp holding through as a suspension up in the melody there. Then we go to and then I'll hit the rest of the chord. So I'll hit the A, C sharp and E, A, E and G sharp, A, E and G, A, D and F sharp, then go down to D, D and A and D, A, C sharp and E, E, B, A, then walk it up. So we'll walk right back up into that little refrain right there. So we've got a second verse. Here we go. Now we're going into an instrumental interlude. And what I'm going to do there is I'm going to take it up an octave. Then it goes up to A, G sharp, F sharp, E, 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 D, C sharp, B, 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 C sharp, D, D, C sharp, B. Go all the way up to the F sharp and then up to the A, G sharp, F sharp, E, 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 D, C sharp, D, 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 C sharp, B, A. So that'll all be interlude. And we'll do pretty much the same thing in the left hand. So we'll do pretty much the same thing in the left hand. So let's get into that just before the instrumental interlude comes in. the first verse reprise with the tag, and there's a couple wrinkles, and I'll show them to you as we get to them. This is right before the first verse reprise. Just the same as before. Now we jump up an octave. Jump up to, and then come down all the way again. Just come up here and play F sharp, E, D, C sharp. So you're going to end with that A major 7th. Now, it's a classic ending where you just repeat that last verse or that last line 3 times, and then you just put a little tag on there. So now let me play it so that you can see those 3 times, and then put the tag on there. You're going to. Okay, so. The second time, here's the third time. So slow it down a little bit. There you have it. Randy VanWarmer, just when I needed you most. Now I do want to show you that last chord. See, what I've got in that last chord, I've got the E and the G sharp. And then I work my way into the C sharp up there. So I've got the whole major 7th chord, but the C sharp is up here in the right hand. Hope you enjoy playing it.